In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a watermark in Microsoft Excel. If you want to place a faint image behind your worksheet content, Excel lets you do that by using the header area. This is a useful way to add something like a company logo, a draft label, or any light background image that helps identify the sheet without getting in the way of your data. To begin, open the header area in your Excel worksheet. Once you're in the sheet, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. From there, click Header and Footer. This switches Excel into header and footer editing mode, which is where the watermark image will be added. Now it's time to insert the watermark image. Click inside the center header section. Choosing the center section is usually the best option because it places the watermark more evenly on the page, especially for printing and page layout views. After that, go to the Header and Footer tab and click Picture. Excel will open a file selection window so you can choose the image you want to use as your watermark. Select your image, then click Insert. At first, you won't see the image displayed directly in the header. Instead, Excel will show the code ampersand open bracket, picture close bracket in the header area. That's completely normal. It simply means the image has been inserted and is now linked to the header. Next, with the header still active, click Format Picture on the Header and Footer tab. This is an important part of making the watermark look right. In the formatting options, adjust the brightness and contrast so the image appears lighter and less distracting. A watermark should stay visible, but it shouldn't compete with the spreadsheet content. Once you're happy with the look, click OK. To view the watermark properly, click the View tab and select Page Layout. This view lets you see how the image will appear on the page, including its placement in relation to the worksheet. If you were expecting it to appear in normal editing view, keep in mind that watermarks added this way are best seen in page layout and when printing. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a watermark in Microsoft Excel. If the image looks too strong or too dark, just return to Format Picture and fine-tune the brightness and contrast until it blends more naturally into the background. This simple method is quick, effective, and great for making your worksheets look more polished and professional.